Right? Just walking in the dark. This is a good idea. Oh my god, this is really tall grass. Oh, I'm gonna die in here. Welcome to the characteristics of life. Today we're going to be hunting for the characteristics. You know how that is. Look among us. You can see a fallen tree from that windstorm or whatever. Look at it. It's a tree. Yep. That's a tree. It's really dark. This is a dumb idea. I probably shouldn't have chose to film in the dark. This is a dumb idea. I'm gonna film tomorrow when it's daytime and when I can possibly not be murdered by a snake. I am scared. All right, hello friends. Welcome back. We're gonna be learning about the characteristics of life. Now, before we go outside on our adventure, we gotta take a look at ourselves and ask ourselves, what is life and what is living? Now, there are a bunch of living things in the world, such as mushrooms, lizards, and plants. There are also things that aren't living, such as metal and robots and rocks. Now, we know if something is living or not depending on whether or not it has the 7 characteristics of life. Now, in order to be a living thing, you need to have all 7 characteristics of life. Not 1, not 3, not 6, 7. Let's take this outside. Ladies, gentlemen, and Matthew, today we're going into the deep woods. Yeah. This is a bad idea. Oh my god, this is like Slendy Man. Welcome to the suicide forest, everybody. Whoa, I think now the first characteristic of life is that it has to be built by a cell. You know, built by cells, at least one cell to live. Let's look at this tree. Oh, oh god. If I zoom in very closely, this tree has cells somewhere. This camera can't really see it. Robert Hooke discovered the cell in 1665. Did you know that? You probably didn't. It's also a fun fact that Matthias Schlein, am I reading that right? These people, they made the cell theory, suggesting that all living things are composed of one or more cells. The cell is a basic unit of structure and cells arise from pre-existing things. Slender man, all the children try to run. Let's find some examples of things that aren't made up of cells. Crap. This water is not made up of cells. It is instead made up of atoms, hydrogen and oxygen, to be exact. The next characteristic of life is energy. You know, I don't mean to brag, but I made a project about energy, so I think I can just skip this one. It's in the trees, it's somewhere, it's moving around, but there's a bird, and when it flaps its wings, when it goes around flapping its wings, it's using that energy. Next we have stimuli. Now, stimuli is when you respond to something when, you know, something happens to you. For example, this branch just touched me, so I decided to, you know, kind of shove out of the way. I didn't know if you noticed. Oh my god, it's raining. So to give an example of stimuli, trees or plants, they get their energy from the sun. So they like to, you know, kind of move in the direction of the sun. As you can see, the plants here, they're kind of leaning, and they're leaning towards the sun, as you can see. It's starting to rain really hard. Where's the exit of this place? Hello? Logan Paul? Anyone? I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die in here. I'm actually lost. I don't know where I am. Oh, crap. Oh my god, that's a branch, not a snake. I think I see it. Oh, cray! Oh, that's a branch that I stepped on, and it scared the freaking... Oh, no! There it is. I see it. Hallelujah. 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 Gotta take a tick bath. So we're back at the home. It's raining. So next is homeostasis. Okay. Hey, what do you know about homeostasis?
All I know about homeostasis is that it involves your body equalizing itself in some way.
Okay, bye. Good riddance. Hey, what do you know about homeostasis?
It's like when organisms control their own like internal temperature and other biological mechanisms in order to stay at a level that would enable them to survive.
Thank you, Lawrence and Sasha, for those wonderful answers. Now it stopped raining, so we're gonna go back outside. We gotta put on some sunscreen. That was not sunscreen, that was bug spray. We're not going back in the forest because it scares me. Boy, it's hot out. You know what that means? Homeostasis is gonna be on my side. It's gonna make me sweat. You see that? It's gonna make me sweat. I'm gonna get all woo, and then I'm gonna keep my body same, just like those two people that I forgot the names of said. Thank God no one's here. You know you look bad when you walk into a playground with a camera. Brings us to growing and developing. You know, growing and developing is really handy. It's when a thing grows and develops. An example, this tree, another tree, so many trees. So this tree is going to grow and develop to become much larger, just like this thing that may or may not be its mom and or dad. Someday, buddy, someday. What's next? Oh no. Now, if you don't know what reproduction is, ask your parents. And if your parents don't want to tell you, go to Google and type in www.po. Great example right here. Birds. This is the bird's nest where they reproduce. This is where the magic happens. Up next is evolution. And if you don't know what evolution is, I have the right as an American citizen to call you retarded. Boom, this guy is the guy that did evolution. He made it, he invented it. Charles Darwin, he made the theory of evolution, basically meaning as the world changes, the animals change with it. Perfect example of this one. Once we used to look like this. Don't we wreck this. Now back then we were pretty stupid, and over time we eventually got smarter. And you know what we did when we got smarter? Look, we went from this to this. That's amazing. That's mind-boggling. We've evolved so much that we have a button just showing random crap that we've just sold each other. What is this? Inflatable unicorn horn freak. I did not expect that to show up. Why? What? This is so weird. This is the part where the credits are supposed to come up. Post editing. Wow, I wanna dedicate this video to Logan Paul. Thank you for going into that forest and showing us a good lesson.